Cement and teal? Okay. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Low I.E in the Rio Teal colorway. Now, the Air Jordan 11 Low I.E first released alongside the Air Jordan 11 during its original run in 95-96, but it definitely doesn't have the same appeal because of the fact that it's designed differently and lacks the patent leather, instead trading it in for a more graphic design on the lateral and the medial side. But what it does have of the Air Jordan 11 Low is the mesh paneling, which helps with breathability. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the Air Jordan design box, which is the same box that came with the Air Jordan 11 Low Jeter. So it's got the various design prints related to Michael Jordan and the Air Jordan 11. And the colorway is Rio Teal. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly leather upper with cement detailing that wraps around the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you've got a leather toe box, as well as a texture detailing for the toe cap. And you also have the start of the cement paneling with the mesh detailing inside of the cement paneling. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got a mostly mesh tongue. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's all mesh with the leather detailing wrapping around as an overlay. And the top of the tongue is leather with the blue Jumpman logo on it. The insole is Rio Teal, and it also has the blue Jumpman logo on it. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the textured leather upper as a base, as well as the mesh detailing, and you also have the cement print overlay. Moving towards the heel, you've got the mesh detailing, as well as the cement overlay wrapping around the shoe. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the textured leather upper with the cement detailing and the mesh overlay panels. You've got a Phylon midsole with the carbon fiber shank plate. And you've got the translucent outsole with the blue Jumpman and the Rio Teal pods on the forefoot and the heel. I don't know, the color combination of Rio Teal along with this cement print doesn't really do it for me. I know that they made an Air Jordan 11 Low in this same similar colorway with the patent leather all being Rio Teal. And I think that if they went with a black cement detailing, it'd probably be better, but the gray cement just stands out and it kind of clashes with the shoe for me. I'm not a big fan of it, but it is a clean shoe for the summer months. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Jordan 11 Low Rio Teal hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 16th for a retail price of $170. All right, everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.